What do alcohol,
religion,
and microorganisms
have to do with stinky cheese?
We'll tell you in a minute.
But first, let's talk about the state of cheese.
I'm Elena. I'm a cheese professional with Wisconsin roots. Cheese is my life.
And I'm Alex, chef from Paris searching for the most amazing ingredients in the world.
We're cheese lovers. And we want to help you discover
your next favorite cheese. Stinky cheese. Most people either love it or hate it.
We suggest loving it.
Stinky cheese gets its funk during the aging process as the cheesemaker washes the rind.
The cheesemaker uses a saltwater base with added bee linens cultures and sometimes alcohol.
The rind often turns a distinctive orange or pink hue as the culture settles in.
Ready to try one?
Absolument.
This is Whitmer's brick cheese. It's actually made using real bricks to press the moisture out of the cheese.
The smell is quite something.
And what do you think?
It's quite smooth, tender. It's mild, in fact.
Super savory, but it's pretty luscious. I've been eating this cheese since I was a kid.
I love it. I think the complexity is exactly what I'm looking for. I would love to see this melt over a nice dish of baked potatoes and bacon bits and caramelized onions. That would be so good.
Our next stinky cheese is a classic. Oh, it's Limburger.
Oh, oui.
It's made by Chalet Cheese Cooperative in Wisconsin. They're the only ones making Limburger in the US.
Wow.
And this is really the way we eat it in Wisconsin. Rye bread, mustard, the Limburger, and some raw onions.
You know what? It makes sense. I mean, to balance out the cheese with other powerful flavors and also the acidity from the rye.
For your friends who might be a little nervous about stinky cheese, make this sandwich for them.
Exactly.
Bring it to a picnic, a dinner party.
It would be very fun to start a conversation with this. So, what does religion have to do with stinky cheese?
Monks and nuns played a huge role in the history of stinky cheese making.
The ritualistic washing of the rinds lent itself to the monastic lifestyle.
And the cheese was a major source of nutrition and income for the monastery.
Stinky cheese.
It tastes good and it does good.
So what's not to love?
Looking for your next favorite cheese? You'll find it in Wisconsin.
If you're craving more cheese knowledge, watch the rest of the State of Cheese video series.